Okay, Happy New Year, Joe.
Happy New Year. It is, 2020, January 2020. So what I have here, Wendy just picked them up in the mail today for me, is a package of Trachycarpus wagneriana seeds. And these were harvested from a friend that lives in Vancouver, and he knows where there's several of them growing, mature palms. And Trachycarpus wagnerianus have the same trunk as the Trachycarpus fortunei, nice shaggy, fibrous trunk, but they have smaller, stiffer leaves and way more wind resistance. So what we're going to do is we're going to grow these in a baggie. We're going to use a baggy method. And Trachycarpus wagnerianus were named after Albert Wagner. So he was a landscape designer from Leipzig, Germany. Oh. And he introduced this palm from Japan into Europe. So it's named after Albert Wagner, if you're wondering why they call him Trachycarpus wagnerianus. So named after a German landscape designer.
Where did those come from?
They came from Vancouver.
Oh, somebody sent you these in the mail.
Yeah, they came in the mail today. You picked them up for me today in the mail, remember?
Well, I know that.
Yeah, see that? So here they are, right here. And we're going to put them in this, Promix HP. Really easy to germinate seeds in this. So what you want to do is moisten it, put it in a Ziploc baggie. There's a lot of perlite in there. So it's Promix HP, Sunshine Mix 4. Keep it at room temperature in your house, out of direct sunlight. So we're going to dump those in there like so. And then we're going to shake the baggie around. Put the date on the bag. Put the type of seeds you have in there.
How many are you putting there about?
I don't know how many are in there.
Maybe
30? No, there's more than that.
Oh, wow.
No, there's more than that.
Okay.
I'm guessing there might be 100. I don't know. I didn't count them, but it looked.
Shake them up.
Shake them up. So now they're all evenly distributed through that mix. And once it's sealed, you don't have to open it up because the moisture is locked in there.
Yeah.
I'm going to put this upstairs on the shelf with some other palm seeds in the hallway. We have a wood stove in here. So the air temperatures are very warm. They're sitting around 72 to 74 degrees. And these should probably start to pop in a few months. And when they start to pop, well, Miss T over there with the camera is probably going to shoot another video. And then we'll show you what they look like and how I take them out of the baggie and pot them up. Okay, so these are Trachycarpus wagneriana seeds that just came in from Vancouver today.
You know what I noticed in comments about this method is that some people don't wait long enough for them to sprout.
Because they're impatient.
Yeah, so that's probably the biggest thing. If you don't think that there's nothing happening, what it is a lot of people, you have to really wait. Maybe it could take 3 to 5 months.
It could be,
for them to start germinating.
Some seeds take, I've had some needle palm seeds or jubea seeds take a year to germinate, right? So just be patient with palm seeds. Some are a lot faster than others, like Washingtonia robusta seeds will sprout in a couple of weeks. Fresh seed. So the key is to get viable seed, you want fresh seed. If it's old seed, it's going to be sporadic germination, or maybe none will germinate, or maybe just a few will germinate. So fresh is best. And that's how to do it. That's called the baggy method. Because our greenhouse is not heated, so I don't want to sow them in there now. I start mass sowing in there in March. Mid to late March, I start to mass sow because it starts to heat up a lot faster. Then we put them in trays. So in the wintertime, baggy method, and it doesn't take much.
And the trick to knowing that they're fresh seeds, especially if you haven't picked them yourself, is if you are getting them shipped to you from another city. What is that one? That one's put it in a glass of water?
You put it in a glass of water. If they float, they're duds. If they sink, they're good.
Yeah.
That's usually will indicate if they're viable seeds. So try that. And this doesn't take up much room. If you live in a small apartment or whatever, hey, you can germinate lots of palm seeds. All right? So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. There's more videos like this on Gulf Island Rock. And I was doing uploads. So stay tuned for more videos. Cheers from Salt Spring Island.
Okay. Aloha.